Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the car situation here. The STI is all cleaned up today. Cleaned the whole car. It was due for a good cleaning. Wheels look great. I love these tires. Of course, these are the 265/35 Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. They have been absolutely amazing. Perfect amount of wheel gap thanks to the Fortune 500 coilover suspension. And as you can see, the 265 tire is pretty much exactly flush with the fender of the car. And I'll just give you a quick look at the back. I mean, it's just perfect. So I am very happy with the way the wheel and tire setup came out on this STI. I think it was a home run. I also had the air oil separator installed in the STI. It's an IAG, and my wife bought it for me for my birthday, and I finally had it installed. And I also had the cylinder 4 cooling mod. There is the IAG Air Oil Separator. They did a really nice job with the install. They tie wrapped all the hoses down, and it really looks good with the front tower brace in red right on top. How's that? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? And that's it for the STI. I'm not going to put any more money into it. At this point, I believe I have about $50,000 in this STI. Maybe a little bit more, actually, which is a lot of money for an STI. So between the AOS and the cooling mod, they tell me that the engine will last a long time, especially since I'm not going to mod it. And here's the GTI. The new wheels are looking phenomenal. We are really happy with them. My wife absolutely loves them. They are ceramic coated, and she actually just cleaned them up just with a microfiber cloth and a water spray bottle, and they look good. Saved us from having to wash the car today. The wheels look clean, the car looks clean, the paint already looks clean. So I told her, let's not wash it, because I had to wash the Jeep Rubicon and the Mustang today. And here's the Jeep Rubicon, looking amazing. It's like a big toy. Here's my rubber ducky antenna. So much better than that stock tall silver one. I hate that antenna. Here is the tried and true Pentastar 3.6 liter V6 engine. It has been absolutely amazing. And do you know what gasoline I use in this Jeep? The cheapest I can get, 87 octane. And do you know why? Because this is a naturally aspirated engine. No turbo. You don't have to worry about higher octane fuel for a turbo. You find the cheapest gas you can find, and it rides just perfect. We are getting on the highway. If I am easy on the gas pedal, I've reached 25 miles a gallon in this car. Very impressive. Looks great. We absolutely love the Rubicon. You know, while I'm out here, I might as well close the hood. Let me get the hood key. And then push down. There you go. And lock it so no one can get under your hood. Unless they want to break your lock, which I'd rather them have to do that than have an easy time. Put the key back in there. Over here, the Yaris. The Yaris actually has a water leak coming through the taillights. And I bought new seals for it to seal the taillights, and it's still leaked a little bit, and I'm not sure what to do about that, but I'm not gonna worry about it too much because it doesn't really affect the drive of the car at all. It just gets a little wet in the back. It's better now that I replaced the taillight seal, but I can't figure it out completely. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. The car runs great. It's about to hit 121,000 miles. It's got the original brakes and the original clutch still to this day. And here's the Mustang. I just washed it. Didn't go crazy with it because it's gonna rain and it stays outside. I will be buying a car cover for this car. I didn't want to do that for a long time because I thought I was going to sell it or trade it. And I did have this car on Craigslist. After seeing what Mustang GTs were going for with manual transmissions and leather seats at dealerships, they were asking 40 grand for pre-owned ones, which is crazy. So I went on Craigslist and I posted this car. I started at 38. I got some people inquiring about it, but they didn't want to pay 38, so I brought it down to 37. And people just kept insulting me, asking if they could have it for 30,000, and I would just laugh. And of course, I'm not going to sell it for that. There's not a darn thing wrong with this car. You couldn't buy this car at a dealership for 37 grand, so why would I sell it for 37 grand? You actually save money if you buy it from a private owner because you don't have to deal with the dealer BS. The only thing I would do for this car now is new tires, and I'm thinking about going to 265s from 255. So if you guys have any comments on that, let me know. The one thing that transformed this car, the way it feels, is the Barton shifter. The Barton short shifter makes this car feel so much better. I highly recommend getting one. The stock shifter that came with this Mustang is a piece of junk. It doesn't belong in the car. Well, I hope you like this car story, car fleet update. If you want to see more videos like this, give this a thumbs up. Please comment and let me know your thoughts on any of the vehicles you see here. I really enjoy reading your comments and look forward to them. So until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.